Let's take a look at this example. This time we have given angle B, side A and side C. Please notice that the opposite side to angle B is not given. So if I have angle B and opposite side B is not given, means I cannot use law of sines at the beginning of the problem. Okay, so I'm supposed to use law of cosines. Because I want to find side B, I'm going to use this version of law of cosine. So I'm going to simply copy this down. So I have B square is equal A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine of angle B. In order to find side B, I'm supposed to square root both sides of this formula, and I'm going to have B equals square root, open parenthesis, A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine of angle B. Plug in the numbers, we have B is equal square root, open parenthesis, A is 23 feet square plus C, which is equal 14 feet square minus 2 times A, which is equal 23 feet times C, which is equal 14 feet cosine of angle B, which is 20 degrees. Close parenthesis. Plug in these values into the calculator, and you're supposed to get B equals 10.94 feet. Next, we're supposed to find angle. Someone is going to ask which angle we're supposed to find. We're missing two angles, angle A and angle C. We are looking for acute angle. Acute angle is going to be the angle which is across the shorter side. So I have option 23 and 14. So across this side, I'm going to have acute angle. That's why I'm going to use C first. I'm going to use this time law of sines. So I have B over sine of angle B equals C over sine of angle C. In order to find angle C, I'm supposed to perform the cross multiplication. So I have B sine of angle C is equal C sine of angle B. In order to find angle C, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by side B, and we have sine C is equal C sine of angle B over side B. So angle C is equal inverse sine C sine angle B over side B, which is equal inverse sine side C is equal 14 feet sine of angle B, which is equal 20 degrees over side B, which is equal 10.94 feet. Feet and feet will cancel out. Use the calculator, and you will see that angle C is equal 25.95 degrees. Okay, so this is angle, right, which is across side C. And this is acute. So it makes sense because the biggest angle is going to be always across the longest side. So we're supposed to calculate angle A is equal 180 degrees, because the sum of all angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees, minus angle B and minus angle C. So I have 180 degrees minus 20 degrees minus 25.95 degrees. Okay, I simply subtract from 180 degrees angle B and angle C. The answer is 134.05 degrees. Okay, so please notice that we have the biggest angle across side A. So it makes sense because the opposite side to the biggest angle is going to be always the longest side in the triangle. So we've found the missing side, side B, and we found also the missing angles, angle C and angle A, so we can say that problem is solved.